Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to see WordPress post from Cpanel. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe how to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Cpanel and then go to phpMyAdmin section, and these are my databases. So from here I'm going to open these databases because these databases are connected with my website. So I'm going to click about this database and then click on WPRS post, and then here we can see my all the posts which are uploaded to my WordPress website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe how to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.